partly clear. Has issued Tornado Watch number 478, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Barry, Branch, Calhoun, Cass, Kalamazoo, St. Joseph, and Van Buren, and the following: St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan, South Haven to Holland, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds to South Haven, Michigan, South Haven to Holland, Michigan. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's so yes, Kitty one.
Here is the usual forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore. South Haven to Holland.